To my channel. So today we're reading Floppy's Fun Phonics. That is sad. Can you show which one is that is sad? On the video. The second one. Read the caption on the cards. Which cards matches the picture? So pause the video and think about it. It was the second one. Which one is the correct statement? A hen and a bug? A hat on a dog. A hat on a dog. Okay, so run in the sun or sit in the sun? Think if you don't know. Sit in the sun. I'm guessing it was run in the sun. So, a dog can sit or a dog can run. Which statement is true? Whoever said a dog can run, they're correct. A dog is a pet or the dog is a pet? So, it's very easy. So, if you don't notice, I'll not be supporting you. I'll be supporting you if you don't notice. But if you know it, do it on your own. Okay. The dog is wet and the dog is a pet. Okay. Okay. So, run and hop and run to the top. So, the bottom one is run to the top. The first one is run and hop. Biff is on a mug. It's a big red bug. So a big red bug goes there. Biff is on a mug, goes there. Biff is in a sack. A doll is in the backpack. So the doll in the backpack goes up, and Biff in the sack goes down. So spot the differences. Okay, so the ball is blue. The collar is green. There's a star on the collar. Yeah, so that was the end of the video. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye bye.